Hey guys, how's it going? Well, gonna do a little unboxing. This is a pretty big box for what I ordered. But let's see what we got going on here. Gavco knife. Alright, look at this. Do not open with knife. Oh, I'm a lawbreaker. Yeah, let's see what we get here. Do a little first impressions on this. Don't open it. Yeesh. Oh, Marshall, where are you? Yee. Oh, whoa. Yo, good one. Sweet. Now, what do we got here? Packing crap. Alright, don't worry about that. Well, I guess that's a giveaway, right? Alright, this is a big box. All that box for this. Alright, PS4 Squirt. And how are we gonna open this? Get a tough spot in there. See what we end up with. Oh, here she is. Let me step over here so I can see where I'm at. Cool. Considerably lighter than the Gerber. Let me move this camera so I can get it back in my normal spot. Let me see here. Oh, sorry about the earthquake. Alrighty. Locked in. Alright, let's check this thing out. Alright. Well, we have pliers. I'm going to do a direct comparison with this thing. Jaws are slightly longer on the Gerber, but thicker on the Leatherman. Inside hole, a little bigger on the Gerber. Definitely the Leatherman's lighter though. Alright, been looking forward to this. Especially with the weight, this will definitely be living in my pocket. Alright, little blade. Alright. Well, let's test that out. Anything on this paper important? Nope, don't look it. Not bad. Not fantastic, not bad. Yeah, I can even see it. There's not a perfect sharpen job. Alright, what else does this thing have? These tools? I don't know. No, with a file. That's cool. Screwdriver bottle opener. Nice. A little Phillips. I like that one. Yay, scissors. Okay, those are kind of tiny. Yeah, they work. Let's see the size comparison with this. Pretty much the same. Cool. You all know what that is. Alright. Coolness. Not bad. I like it. PS4 Squirt. I'll get some using of it and do a little review. Tomorrow we'll have another unboxing, I do believe. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys, and take care. Have a good one.